Whoa, get out a package? All right, let's check it out. Look doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Larry Chen in collaboration with Cameras and Car Culture. I believe this is his latest book, Life at Shutter Speed. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open. Okay, so some bubble wrap, and it's got these styrofoam corners. Very interesting. Right. Behind there's more bubble wrap. Let's get this all out of the way. And this is also wrapped. Let's go ahead and get this out of here. And already you can see tons of photos. This is just the dust box or binder box, however you want to call it. Life at Shutter Speed, Larry Chen. Logo there. 2 decades of Larry Chen photography, and already you just see tons of photos. Here's the book itself. Bottom is plain. Top also has a binding on there, so you can have this visible on a table probably. All right, so here's the book itself. And see already the multiple textures on the cover to get that photographic effect there. And continues on the binding, and then on the back, here's a little bit of a description, brief review. You can see here more than 2,500 images. And there's going to be probably some text along as well. And this is from Carrera Media. So let's continue. Let's try to put this on this side here. Inner cover pages. And what else do we have here? Looks like, not sure what's going on there, but looks like they threw in some stickers. Can't tell if there's more than one or two here. It's very thick. I think this is just one. Here we have a photo, signed actually. Very nice. Yeah, I'm not sure what this is all about there. Maybe that was actually intended to hold that shut. And if you have seen the video that Larry Chen had put out promoting this book, he mentions the story behind this very photo, actually. Look at this. Also signed here, too. Thank you. But there's Larry right there. And looks like this is your contents, the way it's laid out, all the way through the end pages there. Here's a forward. He also discusses that in his promotional video, introduction, dedication, and then there's just going to be tons of photos and text, so I won't spoil it, but just give you an idea just how many photos and stories behind some of them. So as we approach towards the back portion of the book, let's see, chapter 20. One of Larry's cars. Whole spread on that. Here's an afterword by Magnus Walker. Acknowledgements. Another photo there of the author and a little bit of information about the author. That's on page 393. And then here is the last page. This is from 2025, this year. And we do have your ISBN numbers. So, pretty large book. Life at Shutter Speed, 2 decades of Larry Chen photography. And this is from Carrara Media. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out our unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review media reviews, as well as a series called Curios for the Curious, videos of more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.